Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we're looking at a new item for the AIA October-November box. Now, guys, this is actually the full spoilers, so the whole box is revealed, but that happened after I filmed this video, and I'm just too lazy to redo it, so just wanted to slip in here and let you know we have all the spoilers. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the BoxyCharm October base palette variations. Well, thank you so much, Celestial. Celeste says, am I first? Either way, thanks for the spoilers. I don't want the pretty vulgar palette, to be honest. Well, Celeste, honey, you are definitely first, honey. You were really fast on that one. And I hope you get the palette that you do want in that box. And Celeste, thank you so much for having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, these are the spoilers so far for the AIA October-November box. Now, if you don't know what the AIA box is, it is a bi-monthly box. So every 2 months, you'll pay $34 for 5 to 6 full-sized items. And it's always featuring an influencer-owned beauty brand. It can be makeup, skincare, hair care, anything beauty related. So, for the October-November box, they are featuring the Give Them Lala Beauty, which is owned by Lala Kent. She is a model, and she is in Vanderpump Rules. Really cool, awesome brand. So far, guys. So far, all 4 of the lippies have been revealed. Now, once I found out what the brand was when they released that first lippy, I went and I checked out the brand, and all I seen was lippies, bronzers, eyeshadow palettes, which are new to their brand. So I knew all 4 of those items were going to be lippies, and that's exactly what they are. Now, I think I found the exact matches for some of them, but don't quote me on this because it might not be the same exact ones. But the only ones I could find with the white caps on them was in this bundle on her site, and it does have the name of each one of the lippies underneath. So the first one is a red, and I think that might be the I Love You Hydra Matte. Next is that beautiful light nude shade. Now guys, this one I could be wrong on, but I've matched it up to the 3rd shade over in that bundle, which is Come Over Hydra Matte. So I'm assuming those 2 are matte liquid lipsticks. Now next is that pink. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a really sheer pink, and I couldn't really find an exact match, but if it is one in this bundle, I don't know, maybe the lighting's different or something, it would be the Calm Down Hydro Gloss. Now, I'm assuming it's a gloss anyways, because you can see it's a really sheer pink shade, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, next, it's like a dark plummy nude. Now, I have matched that to the High Maintenance Cushion Cream. Now, guys, again, those might not be the exact matches, but that's what I could find for you so far. Next, guys, this eyeshadow palette has been revealed. Now, they only have a couple eyeshadow palettes. This one is called the Pretty Palette. It looks like warm neutrals in that. I really do like it. I think it'd give you a nice natural look, or you can go smoky with it if you build up on that dark shade. I think it's a really beautiful palette though, guys. And then last is that bag right there. Now, so guys, if you stayed this far, while I was editing, of course, here it goes. This is how it happens all the time. The bag has been revealed. So we do have a full reveal. We got every spoiler for the AIA October-November box. So this is a American Influencer Award black tote bag. I absolutely love it, guys. So guys, let me know what you think about this box and all these items in this brand down below in the comment section. And of course, AIA is going to be linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lucky Chiara Luciana. I hope I said that right. I probably butchered it, and I do apologize about that, Lucky. Anyways, Lucky says, loving the second eyeshadow palette, Vulgar. Tired of getting all those sparkle eye palettes. Sending love, girl. Well, Lucky, honey, thank you so much. I need all the love I could get. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.